It's so much more than a whim, but it's as slight as a dream. Oh yes it is. You close your eyes and watch the world stop spinning round and round, and you play against your love, and you chance it. Yes, you chance it. You breaking the rules of a game. They say you're not even meant to play.
Ciao, sono Valentina, un saluto al vlog di Don Matteo. Ciao, sono Beatrice, un saluto a tutti gli amici di Don Matteo. More real than a dream, unlikely as it may seem.